Home by 360 is a cloud-based ERP solution for brokers, which helps broker manage their day-to-day productivity. You will see a quick demo. You can, when you log in into Home by 360, you see this dashboard, which gives you a lot of information about your account, like your open task or lead status, hot leads, cold leads, your property listings, and how many of them are sold and how many of them are rent, your commission section. Most of that data in Home by 360 is managed through these simple screens, where you will have in the left side you will have the filter area, in the middle down you will have the listing area, and on the top you will have all the tools or action items. All these action items are role based control, so you can decide on who can in your organization will have access to which item. Let's start adding a contact. So you will open simple add new contact, and you will add an email ID. Then the information you can capture a lot of information, like in various in tabs in Home by 360. All this information is later can be used for slicing and dicing your data. You can capture like interest and price ranges and from where this contact has come and so on and so forth. uh, Later on, all this data becomes your contact directory and base data. You can filter this data, you can use various action on this data. You can edit the contacts anytime you want. You can send messages. You can actually send messages to multiple contacts at a time, and you can use mail merging kind of features to send individual messages. You can save your templates, you can reuse them whenever you want. You can assign contacts to your executives and ask them to use work on it. You can import your old contacts or contacts you have gathered through Excel sheets. You can, once you are ready, when you are working on contacts, and finally if a contact becomes a lead or a property, you can move them from right from this screen to your lead screen or a property screen. Leads, coming to lead screen, you will capture a lot of information, like what is the interest of the lead and where they want to buy something, what kind of property they want to buy, or they want to rent, and things like that. uh, Area, size, pricing, and many of these things are customizable as per your need. There's a counter of properties which will matching property which will keep showing you for a new lead when you are creating, so you know whether you already have a property in your database which can match this lead or not. On the lead screen, it's the similar design. You can add new lead, edit leads, send messages, import new leads to Excel sheets. You can merge two leads. That's an extra feature in case you find they are duplicates. You can tag the leads based on your own grouping, predefined groupings. You can filter the leads using various parameters. Again, these are all customizable fields. Uh, Coming to the matching, so once you have a lead, you will try to match it with the property database you have. We have a very solid matching algorithm which is in place, which helps you do analysis on runtime and try to figure out the best suited properties for a given lead. Once you find the properties, you can actually plan a site visit for those properties just by clicking on the property that has matched to the lead. Let's say for this particular lead, we are planning for two particular properties to be visited. Site visit management will continue. You will be able to come back on this screen and then able to update what happened really in that particular visit. You can add more specifications or preferences given by a lead. For example, let's say both the widgets were done and now you have a status to be updated. You can go to the bottom section which is called widget management, and you could change the status of the widget, and let's say in this particular case feedback was awaited. In the other case, let's say the property is already shortlisted. You can have a three-way reminder where the reminder will go to lead, the property owner, the lead, and your employee. about this particular site visit. Once the once a lead is sold, you can capture the commission records for the lead. For example, for this lead, it will ask you to which of the property has been sold to this lead, and then you can capture the amount of commission. And if you have to pay the commission to some other person in between, you can capture that, and then you have a status of commission. You can set up reminders for yourself to follow for those commission and all that. All that information is captured here, and you can add more than one commission in case you're getting the commission from both parties. You can add more than one commission record to same lead and property combination. Coming to the property screen, it is basically the similar screen with the where you basically capture your supply, that is the property which you get for sale, resale, or rental. All you can perform so many actions, and again the entire matching and visit management algorithm works both way. You could add a lead and match properties, or you could add a property and match lead. It will work from both sides, and you can upload documents for property. You can do all those timeline and filtration and whatnot. Every commission is recorded as a transaction. You can separately maintain that transaction record. You can send messages to these people for your commission. You can edit the transaction status and say whether it's paid, not paid, and things like that. You can remind yourself to follow up again after a few days. For example, here you are setting up a reminder for yourself to follow up. It is partially paid. Then there's a host of setup screens where you can set up your company information, your roles, various roles your employees have, and what kind of permissions they have, which all who all can perform what kind of actions in your. Yes, you can set up all your employees here. Access code is a place where you set up your integrations. Basically, you can Homebuyers has capability to integrate with cloud telephony, live chat, SMS, short codes, and whatnot. Your websites. You can set up your tags here. You can set up all your alerts and SMS you want to have. You can set up your email templates. You can set up your default documents. Let's say standard MOU templates, etc. We have almost 50 plus reports already created for you, and on top of it, for example, this is an important event report, distribution of contact by various groups like employee and status. There are so many reports inside the lead. You want to see last 20 days what all action has happened to all your leads. You can see that. You can filter it by various statuses. You can There are so many things. You're trying to figure out all the employees, and then what is the status of each property as assigned to that employee. You want to you're trying to figure out how is your number of transactions closed, and on top of it, you can also build your own custom reports in all these sections. You can decide what you want to see, and then you can build on a report like this yourself. In the sales part, you can see how your employees are performing, how many site visits they are doing, and things like that. And again, as I said, you can kind of build any kind of custom reports on the data you have captured. On the top menu, you can see there are help sections. You can report bugs. You can see announcements and things like that. That's all about Homebuyers.